In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable VIP alert sound on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Mail. Next, you want to go down and tap on Notifications. And then we go down and tap on Customize Notifications. Then tap on VIP. Next, at the top here, tap on Alert switch to turn it off or turn it on. Now, once you have turned it on, you can also set a unique sounds for VIP mail. And that's it. So whenever you have an VIP mails arrive in your inbox, it will alert or won't alert depending on your setting. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.